it's the year 2022 and you're trying to use Res or Reddit Enhancement Suite browser extension, but you went to the website, you installed it, but it somehow just doesn't work. Like, what's going on, right? Well, the thing is that Reddit changed their UI. There's a new UI a couple of years ago, and that's incompatible with Res. So the new UI looks like this, and the old UI looks like this. So we need to find a way that automatically, every time you click a Reddit link, it goes to the old UI, not the new one, but the old one. And the way you would do that is with a browser extension, so yet another browser extension called Redirector. And once you install it, there will be an R icon on the top right corner of the browser. And then once you go there, you click Edit Redirects, and it will take you to a screen, something along the lines of this. If it's empty, you would click New Redirect. And the fields that you will fill in will be just, first one is just like a name. You can call it whatever you want. I just called it Reddit to old. Then paste any Reddit URL of any thread or any subreddit or something like that. And then the pattern is just HTTPS : dash like slash www, the reddit.com basically, slash, and then an asterisk at the end, which is what will get replaced by the redirector. And then the redirect to is basically the same, but instead of the www, you replace it with old. So old.reddit.com slash, and then a $sign and a 1. And here you have it to wildcard. And if your pattern is correct, you will see that your example URL that you put up here will show properly here. And that's pretty much it. So let's say, for example, here, I would refresh the page, and you have to have here redirector enabled. So it shows an on in green. So when I refresh this, it should take me to the old. So everything you will click, even if you're, I don't know, somewhere on Telegram and somebody will link to Reddit, if you would click on that link in your browser, if it's the default one, it will show you basically the right UI. If you want to know one of the reasons why I love the Reddit Enhancement Suite extension, then you can, I will link the other video below, which is why I still like to use it in 2022 and some of its advantages and the things that I like the most. So that's pretty much it for me, and take care. I hope it was useful. Bye bye.